Welcome back to Market Headlines. The Central Statistic Agency said that especially economic growth was still dominated by growth on the island of Java. With a share of 56.48% of GDP, the trade and telecommunication sector is still main driver growth in Java. The achievement of economic growth in 2022 shows a more positive recovery when compared to pre-pandemic conditions. However, the Central Statistic Agency or BPS explained that economic growth was still centered in the island of Java and Sumatra. On the island of Java, BPS noted that it was able to grow 5.31% with a share of 56.48% of GDP. Meanwhile, on the island of Sumatra recorded growth of 4.69% with a share of 22.04%. Head of BPS, Margo Yuwono, explained that growth on the island of Java was still dominated by trade and telecommunication sectors. It is recorded that DKI Jakarta still contributes the highest growth in line with the increasing mobility of people and consumption. Meanwhile, on the island of Sumatra, the dominant growth sector is agriculture and plantation and trade. This is none other than the result of the high export of CPO commodities originating from Sumatra.
Kalau dilihat dari struktur ekonomi Indonesia, ya secara spasial itu masih terkonsentrasi di Jawa dan di Sumatera. Ya. Jadi lingkaran hitam di sana menunjukkan kontribusinya atau share dalam perekonomian nasional. Ya, yang Jawa ini ya kurang lebih 56,48%.
Apart from Java and Sumatra, the economy in Kalimantan was able to grow almost 5%, with the third highest share to GDP, then followed by the Sulawesi with a share of 7.03%, and Bali and Nusa Tenggara of 2.72%, and also Maluku and Papua, which grow the highest, around 8.65%, but their share is only 2.50% of GDP. From Jakarta, Raharjo Patmo for IDX Channel.